Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Zanussi Electrolux ZWF 1432S. I was asked as a special request to fill this machine completely full with water and try and spin it, so I've got the motor hot wired and I'm going to do just that. If you've got any ideas for things to do to washing machines to put them through their paces, wreck them or test them somehow, just mention it in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. Here we go. So that was very strange. We were only about half full of water, less even, and we're getting back up again to about half full. As soon as I turned it on, it made a lot of noise and there must be a lot of resistance from the water. So it's almost at the top. You can see maybe through the glass door the drum has shifted downwards from all the weight, so the rubber seal here at the top is getting pulled right down. It's not quite at the top yet. There, it is at the top now because the water's coming out the drawer. You can see all of the gasket pulled right down there. The motor's really struggling. That sounds ferocious. It sounds horrendous. It looks like we've burned out the motor. It just stopped. It's still almost full. Let's trip the switch on it. So I guess, yeah, we killed the motor there. That's an experiment in itself. Okay, let's get all that water out of the washing machine. So I've got to get the water out now. There you go. Thanks for watching. See you later.